Hey meal preppers, Paul coming at you here from the Let's Meal Prep app. It is a stress-free cooking and shopping recipe app built just for you, for me and my wife, so that you can cook simple and healthy recipes, either meal prep or meal plan for the week, so that you can have an anxiety-free week when it comes to eating, something to look forward to. Today I've got a chicken, sausage, and veggie orzo dish. Oh my gosh, we had this last night. This is amazing. Orzo, just tiny little pasta here, as you can see. It's just tiny little pasta. So you don't feel quite as guilty with the big linguine pastas. But this is made, you've got some chicken sausage in here. We choose spinach and feta. And we grilled that up, and then you add the orzo in dry with some chicken broth and coconut milk to get that awesome coconut flavor. And then it's got some fresh thyme in there as well. Let that all cook with some broccoli on top. That'll steam as the orzo cooks. And then we added a bunch of spinach in there, let that wilt up, and just served it immediately with some Parmesan cheese on top. Oh my gosh, what a great dish. Oh, fun to eat, and it's coming out in the app this week. I hope you love it. Guys, let us know how you think. All right, bye-bye. Right now, guys, I've got an amazing dish right here. It is lemon panko cod with a peach salsa, and then we paired it with a cilantro lime rice. Oh my gosh, we had this last night for dinner, and it was phenomenal. The cod alone is amazing. It was a nice thick piece of cod here. We just breaded it with panko and Parmesan cheese, a little bit of butter, and then baked it in the oven. On the side, we made some peach salsa. It is peaches with avocados, tomatoes, a little bit of red onion, green pepper, lemon, and lime juice with some cilantro. Whip that together, and then the cilantro rice. My wife loves making this. Just when you're cooking the rice, this is jasmine rice, which has a great flavor. While you're cooking it, put the zest of a lime in there. And then when you're done, squeeze some lime juice in there along with some cilantro. Guys, together, this was an amazing meal. Coming out today in the app. I hope you love it, guys. All right, take care. Bye-bye.